As an international metropolis, Hong Kong is famous for its fast-paced life and commercial prosperity. Public transportation, as a support for the economy booming, plays an indispensable role in people's lives. Like other megacities, metro, taxi, bus, and ferry are all significant in Hong Kong. But in Hong Kong Island, another old-fashioned public transportation still runs actively, which is Tram. Originated from 1904, trams have served the island for over a century. There were only 26 trams at the very beginning, but nowadays there are 161 trams of all kinds running on tracks. They're transporting over 180,000 passengers back and forth between Shanghai 1 and Kennedy Town every day. There were 120 stops scattered along 6 routes. The speed of each tram is limited to 40 kilometers per hour. Each ding-ding can carry 35 to 40 passengers, and it costs 2.3 Hong Kong dollar per ride, regardless of where people get on or get off. North Point Station, one of the major ones for the tram, has witnessed the rises and falls of ding-ding.
得閒冇事做，做嗰個搭叮叮車周圍，叮叮車有得睇嘛。 要街景睇嘛，一路搭一路睇嘛。
Mr. Leung is a station master. His job is to arrange the departure of the trams. After every day's work, he has to send a written record to the company in Taiwan.
我唔係坐呢種，我哋成日周圍有時上環、筲箕灣、銅鑼灣食，見個環境唔同㗎。咁我落翻嚟收，咪落翻嚟收。要管嗰啲要交啲文件交翻俾公司㗎嘛。
Unlike metro, ding-dings are characteristic and open to street wheel. They therefore are highly recommended by all kinds of tourist guidebooks as the best way to wheel Hong Kong Island.
Of course.
But I take the MTR because I don't have the occasion to take it because I don't live here.
As for me, I like to take it actually because I can enjoy the view and so on. So it's much more nicer than the MTR. Maybe not that quick, but still it's nice.
Despite the modern age we're in, the trams are parts of Hong Kong landscape and culture, which shall continue to ding-ding.